controller wiring and internal design of the silent type also directly affect the cost and price. Here equipped with 2 relays. Here equipped with 4 relays. Offer dual protection for the diesel engine and the control system. A voltage stabilizer is also installed to effectively stabilize current rating and protect electrical components. This is normal screws, but this one is not the normal one. It is made of stainless steel, which is rust and corrosion resistant, resulting in a longer service life and far higher durability than standard models. The overall layout is precise with comprehensive protection, providing multiple safeguards for the genset. We have whatever you want. Contact us.